even know mine! Oh my god!
Looks clean!
Oh my god!
Representation!
Okay!
How do they keep doing that?
Oh, look at the thing! Yo! Oh my god!
You get combo off his dive kick? Shit! Get 16!
What? Oh
That's
my
so
god!
fire, bro. That's so fire!
Final slam!
Yo, look at his stage!
Oh shit! Dracula! Walked on the stage!
Wait, this is still going!
This is still going!
Wait,
You don't belong in this world.
What? Richter is an Echo Fighter!
two Castlevania characters?
We have Richter and Simon? What? I did not expect an Echo Fighter! We got Richter too? Oh! Oh! Not the oh my god! Okay.
And Luigi's just gone, bro.
Luigi's dead. Look, his soul is. Oh my god.
Luigi is now officially dead.
And they left Luigi to die,
My
yo.
man's eye was spilling, bro.
Poor Luigi.
But I'm not done yet.
I'd like to introduce two more Echo Fighters from completely different series while we're on the topic. Please take a look.
Fire Emblem.
Crom!
Crom!
I told y'all!
Crom!
I told y'all Crom was coming!
Crom finally got in!
He's
Oh my god!
So Crom is finally
Wait, who's
fucking
it?
in
Oh
this
my
game.
god, he's here! So we got 3 Mars!
That's I. Yeah, it's Ike!
He's
Oh,
the
and he's
Echo
an
Fighter of
Ike
Ike?
for Ike? Yeah, that's
I
good.
never thought this was gonna happen.
That's
Wait,
good. Wait a minute.
Wait,
Is he
yo!
not?
He's like a hybrid of Mark and Ike!
Wait, hold on.
He has
I
Marth
could've sworn
and
I
Ike's
saw
moves.
Ike's moves, and now he's doing like Marth
He's a
stuff.
hybrid of Mark and Ike! Oh!
What the fuck is going on?
Crom finally got in!
Who is he an Echo Fighter of? Roy?
So there's 3 Mars? That's kind of crazy.
He did Ike's a B.
Dark Samus! Dark Samus!
Dark Samus! It was real! Oh my god!
That's why her skin was in the demo.
So much shit!
Oh! 4 Metroid reps, let's go! Let's go!
Yo, she got slapped.
Oh! Oh, this remix! Good lord! Good lord!
Why would I ever play regular Samus again?
It's only been 8 minutes!
Oh, man!
Oh my god!
Yo, what the hell?
This shit is insane!
Look at
I didn't think I'd be hype over Echo
Join the
Fighters.
battle.
Some
You
shit,
may
man.
have seen this coming.
Final Destination!
That's Final Destination! Yo, that's FD?
This looks oh my god, that looks nice!
Fuck me, yes.
We have a little surprise. Please take a look.
Okay, so this stage is back from Melee.
What is happening?
Huh?
What the fuck is happening?
You can change those stages!
That's all for today's announcement. The entire development team is putting all of their energy into finishing the game, so please be patient. till
Why is the
launch
screen
day.
shaking?
KK
Thank you so much for watching.
It's King
What's
K.
going on?
K. Rool,
What is it?
don't do it. Please don't
What's
do
going
it.
on, bro?
There's one more.
Don't do it. Please don't do it.
Villains. We're seeing villains.
Oh!
King K. Rool.
Uh-oh.
Villains! Villains!
Uh-oh.
Oh my god, what is this?
Yo, I think K. Rool's coming in.
Oh, it's time.
It is.
There's no way. There's no fucking way.
There's no way.
This is King K. Rool.
There's no way.
There's no way.
There's no fucking
Oh my
way.
god.
There's no fucking
My
way.
nigga.
Let's go. K. Rool, dude.
I know Roger.
It's gotta be. It's gotta be.
Losing his mind right now.
It's gotta be K. Rool.
There's no fucking way.
No way. Let's go. K. Rool.
Oh my! Bro, I swear to God, no, he's gonna come out and beat his ass. There's no way. There's no way they just did this to me.
King K. Rool's gonna come out and kill King Dedede, bro.
Get him!
Niggas got smacked out here, bro. They put K. Rool in this bitch. Let's go, baby. God damn. These niggas ain't ready. K.
account is he playing?
Nigga didn't think his big ass.
Look at his big fat ass, the crazy ass stupid lizard.
He got the musket.
Oh, okay, I like this.
Big nigga.
This is what I want to see.
Oh, his back is broken. Thank God, JR, he had a family.
Yo, he has everything. The boxing.
He got some hands.
They rule, man. He throws the crown, classic Tokyo victory style. Jesus.
The tower. We're just blowing up islands now? Okay. There's no way this should be allowed. I can't believe this.
What's wrong with you?